Hey, how's it going? Kelsey here with Mixed Digital Marketing. Just want to leave you a quick video in regards to some SEO strategies I recommend you do into your website to help you ranking higher in Google. So we'll go over three things. The first is content, second is backlinks, third is citations. So content just refers to words on the page. So Google's algorithm, although you have a really nice website, Google's algorithm can only read the words and the content on your page to determine what you should rank for and how you should rank for them. And so in terms of the amount of content, we recommend on the homepage 1,000 to 1,500 words, and then each back page we recommend 500 to 750 words. So in terms of content, as I went through your homepage, you actually have a really good amount of content. So what we would want to do here is just make sure that you have the right keywords on the page that are getting searched the most often in Google. So you may be wondering, okay, well, how do I determine what are the right keywords to put on my page? So we use a program called Ahrefs here. And so here you're able to put in any URL on the web, and it gives back some feedback in regards to some ranks and some just statistics around what your website is doing. So here typically you'd see a rank that's in the millions or whatever it may be. We're talking about billions of websites. But what we really care about is everything to the right here. So based on this though, it looks like your website is fairly new just because there isn't much data to represent it. But usually there's a UR ranking and a DR ranking. So UR ranking refers to the overall rank in both in terms of on-site and off-site SEO of the page that we're on. And right now it's the homepage. So it's a ranking from 0 to 100, and then usually I'd say a good ranking is anything above 30. And so here, since your page is fairly new, I'm guessing it's just taking a little bit of time to read what your page is doing. But again, another thing we really care about is the DR rating, which is the ranking of your offsite SEO of the backlinks. So in case you didn't know, backlinks are influencer pages, blog articles that have that URL hyperlink that when you click on it, it leads back to your page. So Google really likes this because it's able to kind of trace back to your page. It works as kind of one big popularity contest, and we just want to make you as popular as possible and get you as many of these links as possible. So here I know it says backlinks 3, but what we really care about are referring domains. So these are the amount of websites that have backlinks on them. So with one website, you can have 100 backlinks. So really, you only get power once. So that's why we really care about this referring domain section. And then kind of go one step further, we care about the do follow referring domains. So here you can see that you have 2 backlinks, 2 referring domains, but 0 of them are do follow. So not every website has to give you power. So that's what do follow means. It means that they're lending power from their website back to yours. So once we get you a bunch of do follow referring domains, you'll start to see your DR improve, as well as, it'll notice that you have kind of popularity being built up. You start ranking for more organic keywords and traffic, building value, and so on and so forth. So in Google, I typed in garage door repair San Antonio. So this search gets 400 searches per month on average. That's according to the software I was just on. So here you can see the Google Ads section where people are paying a premium to be on the very top of Google. But typically, you get about 20% of the click volume. So that leaves 80% for the rest of the field. So typically 40% is for the map pack section here, and then the rest of the 40% is based on the organic ranking. So in order to be on the map pack section, the number one thing that affects it is typically the organic rating down here. The second thing is citations. So citations are online directories like Yellow Pages or even Facebook and Yelp, where you have your business name, phone number, and address exactly as you have it listed in Google My Business. And it's very important that it's listed exactly the same, or else you won't get proper credit from Google's algorithm. And so we have a different software that we use that we can see how many citations your competitors have that are in the top 3, and we make sure we get at least double those, because there's tons of citations available. It's just a time-consuming activity where you have to go through and get them all. And then here we can see the organic rating. And so just to show you a number 1 competitor here, Precision Door San Antonio, click into them. So here you can see that your website is honestly nicer than theirs. And they honestly do not have that much content. There's lots of room for improvement here, but it looks like they've just been around a little bit, and so that's why ranking has kind of been able to build up since they've had this website since 2001. So I typed in their website in Ahrefs, and so you can see here that they actually have a rank. They have a UR rating that's 33 and a DR rating of only 1.7. So this tells me that within this search that there's room to be able to leap these competitors. So you can see here that they have 115 referring domains, which is really good. That is a good amount of referring domains, but only 35 are do follow. And of these 35, they're not getting much power from these websites. That's why their ranking is only 1.7. So the stronger the do follow ratings of the websites that are lending you power, the higher your DR rating will be, as well as it'll also affect your UR rating and help this go higher. And once that happens, you'll start seeing that you'll rank for more organic keywords, and that you'll get a traffic and traffic value rating, which obviously that equates to hopefully more revenue for your company. And so this is just some high level strategy I recommend you doing to your website. If you want to learn more about what we can do, please visit www.mixdigitalmarketing.com. Thank you.